Hi, in this video we will learn introduction to the Microsoft PowerPoint and how to create a simple PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint 2007 is a presentation program that allows us to create colorful presentation slides. It enables to include charts and graphs, produce organization charts, present tables, and display a presentation as a full animated screen show. You can broadcast your slides over the internet so that hundreds of people can see your presentation at same time. A PowerPoint presentation is an aid. By using this aid, we can reach the audience 100%. While you are giving a seminar, with help of this PowerPoint presentation, you can show them some important charts or graphs or tables on the screen. By using this PowerPoint presentation, the audience can understand the seminar easily. They follow your words. The PowerPoint presentation produces the animated presentation shown on a monitor or overhead screen or overhead projected transparencies, paper printouts of your slides, notes for the speaker, handouts for the audience, and also we can display the slides as 35 mm size screens. It is the great future of the PowerPoint. To open the PowerPoint presentation, click on the Start button, select Microsoft Office 2007 folder, select Microsoft PowerPoint from the submenu list. Then it opens Microsoft PowerPoint window as shown in this figure. Now we will see how to open the Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on Start button. Select the Microsoft Office folder in this Start menu. Click on it. It displays all the applications installed in the Microsoft Office package. Click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007 application. It opens Microsoft PowerPoint window. This is the starting window of the PowerPoint. Here we have the title bar presentation 1 and the application Microsoft PowerPoint application. Below the title bar we will find the menus or tabs: Home tab, Insert tab, Design, Animation, Slideshow, Review, View. Whenever you click on the tab, the particular ribbon is open below the tab bar. This PowerPoint presentation window divided into two parts. The left side pane is called the slides pane. Right side is called the slides. Now we will discuss the detailed terms in the PowerPoint presentation. We can create a PowerPoint presentation in 5 ways. 1. Blank presentation method. 2. From installed templates. 3. From installed themes. 4. From my templates. 5. From an existing presentation. The blank presentation, by name itself, you can understand everything is blank. The plain presentation. There are no designs, predefined designs, no themes, no formatting settings. Whatever the designs you have to apply, you must choose by your own. Everything you have to apply by your own, that is the blank presentation. Number 2, from installed templates, the predefined templates are available in the PowerPoint application. You can choose any one of the templates. Third one, from the installed themes, predefined themes are available. You can choose from the themes. Fourth one is the my templates. You can design your own PowerPoint presentation. You can apply your own designs and formats to a presentation. After creating a presentation, you can make it as a templates. That is called the my templates. Template is a blueprint. You can create your own templates. That is called as the my template. The last one, the fifth one is from an existing presentation. You can also over you can also inherit the properties of the existing PowerPoint presentation. In PowerPoint presentation, we will use the slides. A slide is an individual page in a presentation. It is an individual page, just like a document. We have the pages, page 1, page 2, page 3. If you take in MS Excel, it is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and so on. In the same manner, in PowerPoint presentation, we have the individual pages. These individual pages are called slides. The slide may contain text, tables, images, graphics, or animations. You can add anything to your slide. You can have as many slides in your presentation as you needed. Presentation files. All of the PowerPoint slides for a particular project or a particular seminar are kept in a single PowerPoint file. Is called a presentation file. Slideshow. The way a presentation appears when you are presenting it. When you display your slides in a slideshow, the slides typically take up the whole screen and they appear in a sequence. Slideshow is displaying the individual slides as a full screen is called the slideshow. In PowerPoint presentation, we use the placeholders. The placeholders are boxes with dotted outlines that appears when you create a new slide. These boxes act as placeholders for objects such as title, text, clipart, charts, and tables. These placeholders holds these titles, text or clipart or charts or tables. By placing the placeholders, appropriate placeholders, we can insert the objects or slide elements onto the slide. Size handles. Small circles that appear along the edges of the selection rectangle around an object on your slide is called the sizing handles. By using these handles, you can change the shape or size of the object. By using the size handles, you can decrease or increase the object size. The simple trick while you are working with size handles to maintain proportion of an object while resizing or decreasing or increasing the size of an object, simply drag a corner size handle. Then the object proportionately decrease the size horizontally and vertically. Either increase the size horizontally or vertically. Slide transition, a special effect used to introduce a slide during a slideshow. In a PowerPoint presentation, each individual page is called a slide. During the slideshow, the slides are displayed one by one. At that time, the special effect used to display the slides is called the slide transition. How to display the slides during the slideshow is called the slide transition. Master slide. In our home, parents are the master to the child. How the parents are behaving, they imitate, the child also imitates. If the father is doing some good work or bad work, the child also follow the same work. In PowerPoint presentation, we have the master slide. By using this master slide, we can control the formatting and placements of titles and text for all slides in your presentation. If you changes a format or background to a master slide, automatically the same formatting settings or presentation themes are applied to the all the slides available in the PowerPoint presentation. It is very helpful. It is a best feature available in the PowerPoint presentation. Sometimes if you want to change a PowerPoint presentation themes or formatting, it is very difficult to change all the slides formatting settings or themes or designs. Instead of changing all the slides, designs, formats, just if you add a master slide and if you made a changes to the master slide, automatically whatever the changes you are done, that will be applied to the all the slides. Notes pane and the notes pages. Whenever the PowerPoint presentation is opened, that is displayed as the two parts. One is the left side pane, slides pane, and right side pane, slides page. The one more pane is there, notes pane. notes pages. It will be displayed the bottom of the screen. Each slide can have corresponding notes. You can create notes for each slide. It will help you to remember the key points during the PowerPoint presentation, and not only for the presenter, it will also helpful to the audience. You can give the printout to the audience. Handouts. These are paper copies of all or some slides to be given to the audience. The handouts can be 2, 3, 4, 6 or 9 slides per page. The audience can use handouts for future reference. Handouts show only the slides, but they do not include any corresponding notes. These are handouts just like a notes for the audience. The speaker notes. These are usually printed on paper and can be either the exact text of the speech, reminder notes, backup information, etc. To follow the speech, we use the speaker notes. Some of the audience may not follow the speaker notes speech. Then they can listen, they can read from this speaker notes. Okay, thank you.